Hello, Namaste. My name is Alisha Maharjan and I'm environmental student and also environmental enthusiastic person. Also currently working on I Can Change initiative. That's the initiative work for the better environment. So in the picture, you can also see different products that is being designed by I Can Change team members, and these are all eco-friendly and upcycle products. Now, also I would like to congratulate and be thankful to Namaste Bagmati, Nepal, and Asma Sival for coming up with this wonderful initiative to work for a better environment. Now, so I would like to start my presentation with the word sustainability. So it's a development that meets the need of present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their economic needs. So in this picture, you can see different social, environment, and economic components. So environment in green, social in blue color, and or economy in orange color. So this diagram is the example of sustainability or sustainable development. So when we are able to create or give equal space or maintain the ratio of three components, that's environment, social, and economy, then it actually becomes the example of sustainable development. So here in this picture, these are the example of weak sustainability and strong sustainability. So in the diagram in blue color, this is actually example of strong sustainability. So here you can see the very big space is being occupied by environment, and then there's a very less space occupied by economy, which means giving more preference to the environment. They are like more concerned about protecting the forest and saving the different creatures, saving the endangered species, and then they are very much less concerned about commercializing or like on the manufacturing or factories or industries, and they are giving less preference to those things than that's why the economy is very smaller in this chart or in this design. So this is example of strong sustainability, and this is actually being this model is actually being followed or being accepted by the country Bhutan. So Bhutan is our very neighboring country, and there you can see like how they are protecting the different forests, and they are actually are more concerned about environment, and they are giving very less preference to the economy of the country. So their GDP is very low, and yeah, this is actually the model of strong sustainability, and this can be a very good learning lesson for a country like Nepal, who is actually a very developing country, because this is something that's very much important, and we should learn from our own Bhutan, a very near neighboring country. So now, how we can go towards the part of strong sustainability. So there are three very important and crucial points, and they are eco-cyclical process, and the second one is transitioning away from fossil fuels, and third one is increased reliance on local sources and production. So if we are really concerned about the environment, if we are more concerned about ecocentric development, then we need to first go for like eco-cyclical process. So here in this screen, you can see like three different diagrams. So first one is linear economy. So this is actually something we do in basically we do means most of the developing countries that do it, or like go for this kind of linear economy. So where raw materials are produced, and then raw materials are just taken from the concerned place, and then the different things are produced from those raw materials, and then then we consume, or we then use those products, and then later the things are disposed. So the very good example of it is plastics. So they are being disposed, and they are in the dumping site, so not much known about like how we are again reusing those products. So this is the example of linear economy. But in a recycling economy, what happens is the things are disposed, not decomposed, disposed, but there are certain things that are recycled from it. So that's why it becomes a recycling economy. And the third one is circular economy, that which we need to promote. And this is actually something that is being implemented by many developing countries, sorry, not developing countries. Developing countries actually go for a linear economy and recycling economy, but most of the developed countries preferred and accept circular economy, where raw materials are then torn into different products, and they are being used, and then everything that are being used are again recycled, rather than throwing it into the dumping site or disposing those things. So this is a very important thing in the 21st century. Circular economy is something that we need to implement, and this is something very crucial for managing even the waste and other things. So now second point is transitioning away from fossil fuels. Now we need to promote the use of renewable resources, which means the resources which can be renewed again and again, like sun, because sun will never say goodbye, or the sun will never be like finished. So we need to promote the use of the sunlight, solar energy, wind energy, water energy, and many others, rather than the fossil fuels and other non-renewable resources. And then third one is increased reliance on local sources and production. So we need to promote local and also consume the local sources, so that we can uplift their standard, their economical standard, as well as also those local products are more eco-friendly and environment friendly. And now that's all about giving awareness about on weak sustainability and strong sustainability, and being more concerned about environment, circular economy, and promoting local sources or resources. And now I want to take you back to my I Can Change initiatives that's work for the better environment. So here the main objective of our initiative is to promote and maximize use of eco-friendly products. So this has been one of the major objective of our initiative, because today we can see like how we have been influenced and being dominated by the plastic waste. So that's why it's very much important to change the behavior of people on how they can reduce the use of those plastic waste and promote the use of eco-friendly products. Of course, it's challenging, like how the plastic has been very much dominating and towards our environment, and also because these products are very cheap and they are very much easy to use, and they are they are very much comfortable in using. So these are some of the good advantages of those plastic waste. But however, the very major disadvantage of those waste is that they cannot be recyclable. So we need to really look forward on how we can minimize those plastic waste, because if not now, it's going to be too late for the environment. And also the next objective of our initiative is to provide environmental education awareness program to diverse communities. So we work with different women group, we work with different children, school students, youth clubs, and furthermore learning members who want to know more about the environment and who are really concerned about protecting the environment. So these are our products. So we are working on different kind of eco-friendly products, and hopefully we come up with many more products in the future as well. And one of the important initiatives, or one of the more important program which we design under I Can Change initiative, is to train people on upcycling skills. So basically it's about like how they can manage their own household waste. So this is what we teach to the different participants. So in this picture you can see like how one of the women is learning to make beautiful basket out of papers. So yeah, this is one of the program which we design under I Can Change initiative. And these are also wonderful paper baskets. So, and this next one is one of the beautiful plastic mat which we designed from the plastic waste. So basically one of the major waste, as I said previously, is the plastic waste, and we can see like a lot of plastics which the problem is which are not recyclable, which we cannot so sell it to the scrap center. Those plastics has been one of the biggest issue of Kathmandu Valley because they are thrown haphazardly, and at the end it goes to dumping areas. So what we can do is we can teach students, or we can teach different communities on how they can reuse or repurpose or invent a beautiful creative product out of those plastic waste. So these are the beautiful mats we have made out of plastics. And this is another beautiful small little plastic basket made out of plastic waste. And these are beautiful creative paper craft or handicraft which we designed through which are designed by our team members. So these are also one of the eco-friendly product. So yeah, if you want to know more about our initiatives, or if you want to know more about our eco-friendly products, or if you want to buy these products, then you can write us email, and our email address is given in the slide. That's icanchange3@gmail.com, or you can also find us in Facebook. So our username is icanchange Meru Parivartan. Thank you.